Hi, my name is Alex. Today, I'd like to show you how you can restore an old garden bench from something like that into something like this. Let's get to it. When we moved into our new house a few years ago, the previous owner left an old garden bench in the backyard. It's falling apart, the metal is rusty, and some parts are missing. But instead of tossing it away, I saw potential for a makeover to bring it back to life. The bench is made up of two parts, the metal on the two sides and the main section, which consists of several pieces of lumber. I plan to keep the metal parts, clean and restore them, and replace the panel sections with new lumber since the old ones are rotten. Now let's get started.
く心に何が残るのかどんなに疲れてもわからない寝返りを打ち人の行き来を眺める Excuse to Victorious Donation Music 阳光洒在沙滩上，我们手牵着手，清凉的海风吹来，烦恼都抛到脑后。音乐在耳边响起，心情随之舞动。这个夏天的旅行是我们的梦。夏日的旅程让我们忘记所有，阳光和海浪让爱情自由流动。在这美丽的时光，我们勇敢追逐。
That wraps up this tutorial. Now, let's check out the finished project.
夜晚的星空璀璨，我们坐在篝火旁，诉说着心底的秘密，笑声响彻夜空。天边的霞光溅起，新的一天来临。这个夏天的故事永远记在心中。
If you are interested in how we transform our front yard from grass to a beautiful vegetable garden, be sure to click the link. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.